everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Rapid's wallet application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet and launch open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Rapid's wallet and search. Once you find this application in the search results, go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Rapid's wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that supports the Rapid's cryptocurrency. It is available for Android and iOS devices, and it allows its users to store, send, and receive RPD tokens. To launch open the application after the download is done, tap on the Open button, and there you have successfully downloaded Rapid's wallet on your iPhone. Now you can get started by creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.